what it looks like going from a nasty house to a beautiful home that just hit the market.
Yep.
I'm Glenn.
And I'm Amber. And we're entrepreneurs, real estate investors, and parents in upstate New York.
We've been flipping houses for over a decade. It totally changed our lives and put us in the path of building the life that we choose.
So come along with us as we share a peek into our life and our business.
We are at a house today that's totally finished. We actually show you a lot of houses that are run down and beat up and not looking so pretty, but this is a house we finished. We didn't do the exact before, but we do have a lot of photos we're going to be putting here in video to show you what it looks like going from a nasty house to a beautiful home that just hit the market.
Yep.
So let's go see what Amber did to it.
I think this house turned out really beautiful. Now, most of the time, we stage all of our houses. You know, we put curtains up to add those pops of colors. We put a couple little tables in the corner, maybe a throw rug down, some knickknacks here and there to warm it up. But with COVID going on, you know, getting people here to stage it and everything is a little more challenging. So this is a shell right now of just an empty house, but it looks really good. So first of all, we opened up this wall. You know, this was a solid wall before. Yep.
Okay.
We opened up that wall, put the spindles in.
Were you solid here,
Yeah.
or were you like okay? Amber likes to do that. She likes to open these up and add a railing. It makes it look a lot open.
It does. It makes it feel a lot more open.
Some cool fixtures.
Yep, we kind of went with the more urban country feel. So we are going to fade in some video of the kitchen before. The kitchen before was itty bitty. I mean, it was from here forward. And this was like an added on porch. So since we already had it here, we just switched out the window that was there and changed a couple little things around and extended the kitchen this whole length. That was a huge transformation in this kitchen. You went from a Cracker Jack box to a really nice grand kitchen. I did pantries on both sides of the refrigerator, so it has that nice like built-in look. So this bedroom actually had I think it was a toilet in this closet.
Oh, it did?
It did, just a toilet.
That's nice.
So now it's a nice big
no sink
big
or anything,
closet.
just a toilet.
Just a toilet. Yeah.
They weren't washing their hands.
So the thing I'm most excited about besides the kitchen though is the upstairs, because that is a pretty big transformation. All right. So this was like semi-finished up here.
Nice.
Yeah, we opened up
Nice, I like that.
the sheetrock and incorporated
We did
the
a full renovation. We couldn't splurge for a new doorknob.
right.
We had to keep the original doorknob.
I know. I don't know why they do stuff like that sometimes. So annoying. All right. So the master bedroom, really nice size. So before there was a single closet right here, it was kind of small. And then over here was just like this kind of weird attic space that you could only access from the hallway. I said, let's put in
Is there light in here?
a pocket door. Yeah.
Oh, this is
I
huge.
said, let's put in a pocket door, go back. So now we have this nice big walk-in closet.
Nice, I like that.
It's
This is great.
quite big, yeah.
Yeah. So
Ooh.
is upstairs just a master suite up here?
Just a master suite. Yeah,
Oh,
this
so
is
the upstairs-
nice and private up here.
This bathroom is enormous.
So this bathroom was, well, it wasn't a bathroom. It was just a room. And it did not have a closet. So it was just a room by itself, and it was Pepto-Bismol pink, which we do have a picture of. Wow. So that closet that was in the other room is now the separate toilet area.
So you put the door on that side.
Yep, put the door on this side, gave the bathroom its own.
Made the house look great, and it's in the market, so now we got to find a buyer and get out. Luckily, like I said, inventory's low, so we'll see what we do, and it's a beautiful home in a beautiful neighborhood.
And there are some things that, you know, as a homeowner, they could definitely do, like in the dining room, instead of the windows there, it'd be great to put in some sliding doors and build like a nice big deck out here.
Yeah.
We weren't going to get our money back if we did that on this house, but, you know, a homeowner that has some vision could definitely see that sort of thing.
You can let homeowners for sure, they always want to spend money. Most homeowners spend the most money in their home the first year they're in the house. That's not the most, unless they put something major in, but if they spend all these odds and things that they add. So we could put a deck on there and they may say, that deck's too small, it's too big, it's too white, it's too woody looking, it's too Trex looking. You know, it could be all different problems. It could be they don't like it, so they might want to do something new. So that's a custom thing they can definitely do themselves. But I think that we've done good. We got to decide if we're going to stage it. So I think we wait till this weekend. And if we don't get any buyers come in and we don't get any bites because the weather's nice, again, we're in COVID, so people are weird about coming out.
Right.
But I think we do the best we can to make it look great. And then
I have a feeling we're going to need to stage it, and we're going to need to fix those couple little things to make it nicer.
Well, we're going to play it by ear. We're going to see what happens in the next. That's what we do. Is we'll put it in the market. We'll see what's going to happen. We'll make decisions accordingly, and then we'll go from there. If we're lucky, we'll get an offer this weekend and be able to sell it.
Yep.
On to the next home flipping adventure. We'll see you there.